For today's tip, you can be in your podcasting group. And as a group, go ahead and search for a splatter brush. You looked at Brush Easy yesterday, and you can use a brush from that site. Or you can go on into Google, splatter Photoshop brushes, and you can change splatter to another word that you might be looking for an image, and then go on to images for splatter brushes. This allows you to look for the brush. This doesn't mean that every single image that you see here you'll be able to download. Let's look at our splatter brushes. I need to go to Visit Page. Some sites are going to require you to sign up, and I don't use those. Other sites will require you to pay, and I don't use those either. So you have to take a look at each site. And as I'm looking at this site, it gives me a link to the free splatter, and I can download down there. Oftentimes I will take from the file the brushes and put that into my folder. Now I can come into my Photoshop. I can go to the brushes, the cogs wheel, load brush, splatter brush by Hawkins, and remember, we're using our brush as a background. With your brush, think about where would be the best place to display the information in your poster animation. Isn't this nice artwork? This was done by a second-year student. This is what you can do in multimedia too with Photoshop. And here we can add our brush where we could add our text for our information. So now that you know a second way to search for brushes, find one that you want to use for your project.